Let's play Hello Neighbor with Bunny.
Who are you, silly?
Hi Fox, I collect all the key. And I cannot see that rabbit, where are that?
Look,
Avocado from Mexico. I am steering of the store 5 minutes something come out.
We are now
2 quarters.
finally beat the game because I collected all the key. And yeah, we are just 2 left.
everything is okay, but what does that think of the sky?
You just underestimate my power. Now you all pay. I have all the time for the universe. There have no hiding spot because I am 5,000 kilometers faster.
Am I the only one left?